my tripod.
Should I like sit differently?
I'll just sit right there. If I'm just saying my words out loud, it's not like I have to point to anything.
Okay, today we're going to be doing the Arizona Articulation and Phonology Scale. Okay, so I'm going to show you some pictures. As I show you each picture, please tell me what it is, okay?
Okay.
So what do you call this?
A hoss. The terminal age, so there's no errors. So you put I just like go to the next one.
Okay. What do you call this?
A baby.
What do you call this?
A bathtub.
What do you call this?
A pig.
What do you call this?
A cup.
What do you call this?
9.
What do you call this?
Plane.
What do you call this?
Monkey.
What do you call this?
A cone. Oh, never mind. I was looking at that.
What do you call this?
A cake.
And this?
Wagon.
What do you call this?
Dog. Table. Cat. Jump rope.
But what is she doing?
Jumping.
What do you call this?
Shoe.
What do you call this?
Fish.
What do you call this?
TV.
What do you call this?
Hand.
So how many fingers are on the hand? 1, 2, 3, 4.
5.
Good. And what is this?
Ladder. Ball. Plane.
So what else could we call this?
Airplane.
What do we call this?
Cone or ice cream.
What color is the plane?
Yellow.
What do we call this?
Ice cream.
So is ice cream hot or cold?
Cold.
What do we call this?
A bud.
What do we call this?
Silverware.
So what do you call this?
A fork. Distortions.
What do you call this?
Car.
And what do you call this part that's colored in?
E.
What is this?
Wing.
So what is this?
Twee.
So which tree is bigger? This one or that one?
That one.
Which tree is smaller? This one or that one?
That one.
Good.
Chair.
What color is the chair?
Green.
What is this?
Watch.
What is this?
Thumb.
So what is this whole thing?
Mouth.
And what are these?
Lips. Teeth.
Mm-hmm. What is this?
Zippa.
What is this?
Nose.
What is this?
Hun.
What is this?
How.
What are these?
Hairs.
What is this?
Nest.
And what is this?
Carrots.
What is this?
Book.
What is this?
Chi.
What is this?
Giraffe.
What is this?
Jaw.
What is this?
Age.
And what is this?
Helicopter.
What is this?
Umbrella.
What is this?
Elephant.
Okay. Okay, so now we're going to move on to sentence articulation. Okay. Okay, so I want you to say these sentences first for me. So just read it from the top down.
Don't forget your cap and gloves. Look at the spider web. Knock on the door to go and hide. It hard to climb on walks. I cannot chew with my blue tooth.
Okay, very good. So now I'm going to show you some more sentences. Read each sentence aloud. Go ahead.
The horse is pretty. The baby is in the bathtub. Look at the pig play with the cup.
Okay. Hold on real quick. Okay, so can you read these sentences for me?
I have 9 caught on my twain. The monkey took my comb. Put the cake in the wagon.
Very good. We're going to move on to the next set now.
The dog is under the table. Look at the red cat. I was jumping and lost my shoe.
Now we're going to read these ones out loud.
The fish likes water. The best TV is at 5. Put the ladder and ball away.
So now we're going to read these sentences.
The airplane is yellow. Ice cream is cold. Look at the bird fly.
Can you read these for me?
I eat with a fork and knife. My car is blue. I hear with my ear.
All right, can you read these for me?
I lost my wing by the tweeze. This chair is green. Watch me move my thumb.
All right, we're almost done. Can you read these?
I have a mouth and tooth. This coat has a zipper. My nose got wet in the sun.
All right, and can you read these for me?
My house had step and stairs. I see a nest. Let eat carrots and read books.
Can you read the last sentence one more time for me?
Let eat carrots and read a book.
All right. So that's the end of the sentence. Is this just a double?
This was the first page of the articulation words.
Okay. Okay. Do they have to do
Can you supplement
Okay.
sentences?
Yep.
Yeah, I don't think so. At least there's no prompts for it in here.
That's just story retelling. I don't have that story.
So that's a personality assessment. I don't think so.
Okay, we're all done for today. Thank you for doing this with me.
Right.